are at Ben Branch Lake Conservation Area. There is about 10 to 15 campsites free in this area to camp in. This is our site right here. We're in the first site. There's another one. And then they go on down this road that ends up forking and to another road and coming out down at the lake. You can see there's like a tent camper right down there, and other than them, we're the only ones here. There is a restroom, and I did go in there, and it's actually quite clean. I'm actually really impressed with it. I don't know if I've seen a vault toilet yet in one of these free places. I've seen some in pay places that aren't that clean. So there's a restroom right there for us. Just a little hop, skip, and a jump down the road. The sites are all gravel. They're all very, very small, as you can see kind of by this one. And they're not exactly the most level either. I'll just kind of walk over here and show you. We actually are pretty leveled up over here with our leveler blocks and stuff. You see the one underneath there on the other side of the tire. We had to do that because it was side to side, not level at all. I would suggest bringing some bug spray when you come, tick spray, because I wasn't out here 5 minutes and I already had a tick crawling on me. So I'm going to have to grab the off and spray down my legs and things to keep the ticks from jumping on me. But it is nice and quiet out here, other than our generator running. But don't worry, y'all, we turn it off at night. Only run it during the day. Very pretty. We'll be getting down to the lake. Jesse's going to want to do some fishing. We thought there was a fishing dock and he was going to do some magnet fishing, but there is no fishing dock. We did roll down through there and we didn't see a fishing dock, so we'll just be doing, well, he will just be doing some regular fishing. I don't know if we'll be doing that this evening or tomorrow. But we're going to be here for a couple days. Going to spend the weekend. This is the lake. Ben Branch Lake. It's a nice lake. There is no fishing dock, so there will be no magnet fishing here. But he is doing a little bit of fishing. It's a pretty lake. Good reflection off the water there. Nobody down here. I kind of find that hard to believe. I mean, it was raining earlier today. Maybe everybody thought it would be raining all weekend or something. I don't know. Catch anything yet? Oh, I thought you had it. You see them little fish swimming around in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, you might have seen some of those. What you get?
Little perch.
Perchy. Yep. Were you stuck? Were you stuck? What you think of my hat? You see that? I can't tell if it's focused or not. Can you see it? I like my hat. Are you watching it rain? Yep. We're sitting in the camper because it's sprinkling rain. It's supposed to be hot and sunny today. It's cloudy, gloomy, and raining. So maybe the rain is following us. We are gonna do some wood-fired quesadillas. I've already got the meat and the cheese, and I did a boil in the bag rice, and we're going to put them on the fire in the cast iron skillet and let them brown up and have some yummy lunch. Alright, we put a little bit of grease in the pan. Just gonna let them kind of warm up, toast up a little bit, brown up, whatever you want to call it. First flip. Nice brown on there. It's looking good. Look at this pretty pile of quesadillas. Yum. Got these little chocolate stuffed chocolate marshmallows. I'm gonna roast them over the fire. Not too bad. Pretty chocolatey. Getting a few things loaded up this evening. Gotta head back home tomorrow. This has been a good place to camp. Really quiet out here, other than a little bit of traffic driving down to the lake here and there. But we enjoyed this day.